These are the meat birds that are actually 4.5 weeks old. They're actually on 18% diet of protein. They seem a little healthier and a little slimmer. I'm gradually growing them slowly. Now these guys here to my left are actually heavier and they can barely walk. And these are on 22%, one of my experiments, 22% protein. And these little fellas are only 3 weeks old. And if you look at these guys, and you look at these guys, they're almost passing. So I think I'm going to have to put these guys on 22%. But these will be more muscly instead of fat. Hey, Thanksgiving dinner. What's going on? Yummy, yummy. Smoked turkey. You guys stink.